Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Super excited because today I'm going to be heading out to Asian Motors to install the Thermal R&D front pipe exhaust. This is a beauty. Made out of high quality steel. So I'm just loading everything into the car and we'll head out to Asian Motors and get this baby, installed into the car and see how it sounds with a combination of the PRL Downpipe Catless, and hopefully we have some nice tone to this. So I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna go ahead and load everything into the car, and we'll go ahead and head out. Gotta love the space on the trunk of this car. Everything fit perfectly, even with the protective foams, so that when I drive they don't clang into each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and out to Asian Motors, and I'm gonna get a few clips of the installs, and then we'll go ahead and do some rev ups and hear this setup and see how it sounds with the Catless Downpipe. Alright guys, so we're here at the shop. We're basically waiting for the stock exhaust to kind of cool down, and we'll go ahead and start on this process. Once again, we're here at Asian Motors. You guys can see there's always Civics here. Great shop. Make sure you guys come out here. So once we get started, I'll go ahead and continue filming.
That would be one of those, alright, I'm gonna get lunch and finish it after lunch.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna do a quick rev up. I'll put it in neutral and give it a few revs, see how it sounds. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Once again, Asian Motors coming through, doing phenomenal work. Check them out guys if you're in the Miami area. I hope you guys liked the video. I gotta tell you, the sound from the video doesn't do it justice. It's almost there, but if you guys didn't hear it as good, I think from the video, from actual in person, it sounds much deeper. It sounds really great. I wouldn't have any bad reviews for this exhaust, to tell you the truth. It sounds really good, very easy, bolt on, and the dimensions are on point. So guys, I will be doing more videos of just the rev up, drive-bys, and all that good stuff, so you guys can appreciate the exhaust. Do it from different angles, you know, from the backs, from the sides, close up, far up, at takeoff, and while driving. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boosted Whips. I'm out. Have a very blessed day.